Hi! In front of me is OPPO Find X5 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this device. First of all, you need to access settings. Now scroll down and choose password and security. After that, you need to click on face section and enter your current screen lock. Then choose continue over here and follow all of those instructions. Remember to keep your face in frame. Now you can click on this sweater next to Raise to Wake to disable or enable this feature and tap on Done. Then adjust all of those face unlock options however you wish to by tapping on the sweaters next to proper features and click on Home button. Now when I turn off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!